So I'll just start off with a quick introduction. So my name is Viraj Patil. I am basically from Mumbai, which is the economic capital of India, and professionally an engineer. I've done my civil engineering back in 2014. I was working with one of the biggest possible corporate in India. You must have heard of the name of Reliance. I was a manager there. So 4 years I had a corporate career, and part time I started as a network marketer. This was like 4.5 years ago. So in this 4 years span, in the first 2 years, I never really made money, but in this 4 years, I made organizations more than 60, 70,000 people, and with the help of course, good mentors like Brian Robert himself and Joe Martinez. And during this pandemic, we had a lot of insecurity whether we would be able to maintain our payout. Like in INR, we used to make around back in February 2020, we used to make around 8.5 to 9 lakhs a month, which was almost gone away, almost zero when the pandemic started. So we were in a lot of insecurity, and IX came out as a blessing, and definitely things turned around drastically. So IX Global is not a broker or not an investment company. It is basically an educational company, and of course, like all the rewards and benefits comes through hard work. So there is no guarantee whether we want to join this opportunity or not. My intent is not to close you, but my intent is to open you so that you can look at this opportunity with an open mind. If time and money wasn't an issue, where would you wake up tomorrow and who would you invite? So if we think about this, of course, there would be a lot of possibilities, and we would know our purpose, why we want to participate in this opportunity if it is for you. So basically, we all know this, that there are four ways of wealth creation. So I would like to cover some aspects like the 95 and 5 quadrant, like to employee, self-employee, businessman, and investor. Always in network marketing or entrepreneurship, we have been told that we can move from the left quadrant to the right quadrant and go into the 5% or the businessman quadrant, which is the 3% quadrant. But here with IX, we have an opportunity to go into the businessman quadrant as well as in the investor quadrant, where we can make our money work for yourself. It is an old saying that if you know how to make your money work for yourself, you don't need to work till you die. So it sounds interesting, and it is interesting when I explain you with respect to the visuals when I go through the presentation. So just remember, IX has totally created a system wherein we are a total ecosystem wherein we give mentoring from great successful mentors all around the world who can help you to scale up to that right side quadrant, especially in this pandemic situation, at the palm of your hands with the ease of the technology. So IX is just a better way. It is not a perfect system. We are a new company. Of course, there will be challenges, but where there is a challenge, there is an opportunity, and the opportunity is humongous. You will definitely agree with me by the end of this presentation. Let us understand what is the purpose of the company. So purpose, we started with a vision statement, which is innovate, inspire, impact. So innovation is like using the trends and technology to inspire people so that they can create impact in their own life. That is what is expressed in the mission in detail. I won't talk much more on that. Now again, like if you know that there is something big which is going to happen, would you take the risk of missing it, or would you participate in it? Of course you would participate in it. And what big thing, like of course you have heard about some things like Airbnb, Netflix, Amazon, Uber. So if you knew that your neighbor is launching an Amazon and it is with whatever you know right now, it is going to be a big company, would you just keep watching it or participate? Of course, most of the people, they agree that they would participate. So let me tell you what IX is. IX is an entire ecosystem. It is not a trading company. It is not just forex, not just cryptocurrency, but it is an entire ecosystem of e-learning, travel, health and wellness, e-commerce, financial, technology, everything. A combination of all, wherein like your target market is infinity. You can have customers all around the world with different purposes, with different areas of interest. So it is the fastest growing community where the focus is not anyone else, but focus is you. We focus on self development, which of course, like you know the old saying by Jim Rohn, formal education makes you a living and self education makes you a fortune. And we do that with the help of technology through different products and through different leadership sessions. And definitely you can leverage from our system. Our system is just an app. It is just like Instagram and Facebook, but it has less of drama and more of productive activities wherein you can participate, do the same things, and of course get an elevation in your life or get recognized for doing those positive activities, which will definitely have an impact to certain levels in your life. So you can join this community for free. You can download this app for free from Google Play Store or iOS, whichever operating system you are using. e-learning, which was the first part of the ecosystem, we have basically two components, which is financial development and human development. So human development, we have everything like as most of the people agree by this old saying that your payout is an average of five people surrounded by, or your payout is directly proportional to the contribution you're making to the world. To increase that contribution, you should be a better person. To be a better person in each and every pillars, you called it spiritual, you called it leadership, you called it professional mindset, all sorts of training are loaded in the app. Just like someone mentioned that they're from south, from Bangalore. Byju's is like what e-learning platform. We have something which is relating to your life, not just a formal education which has not even covered a single chapter of how to make money. And again, our second pillar is financial development. We teach you everything which has not been taught to you in the 17 years or whatsoever respective years you spend in formal education about how to make money. So about financial development, what products do we normally have? We have an entire financial academy, a school of finance, wherein we educate you about the major market. I would take you back to the cash flow quadrant, wherein I was talking about the I quadrant. So I quadrant, these people, they know some things which is not available to the retail people. It is available to some amount of people, and that wisdom they use and make the money to work for themselves and get good ROI on their money. And about this live education, you might be thinking, oh, I don't know anything about finance. So if you don't know, but still, if you realize the potential of the finance, that is why IX is there in the place. It gives you live education, recorded sessions, and when you are willing to trade, it also gives you alerts as well as automation services in different disciplines, which I has mentioned above. So in the academy, we have everything like we have ABCD in English language, just like that in forex, in cryptocurrency, in equity markets, in all of the products we have everything mentioned. Let's say you're joining right now, you are not a part of the company from day one. You can refer to each and every session just by joining the app and whatever package you're on. Learn about the markets, learn about human development, learn about how to launch the business. So daily live sessions, multiple language academy, of course, community mentorship and gamification. So let us talk about the commerce, how we can make money, what are the products, what is the ecosystem about apart from e-learning. So I am getting to the biggest market of the financial segment, which is forex. So forex is like, I'll introduce forex in short. It is just foreign exchange. For example, we stay in India, we use rupees. So now I'm in Dubai, so I use dirhams. So if I give 2000 rupees note to some shopkeeper, it is of no use. So I have to exchange the currency. So this exchange risks keep on fluctuating, and the import and export of the entire world is carried on in a huge volume, and that is why the market is huge. So the volume of the market is like 5.7 trillion US dollars. This is not a yearly, weekly, or monthly volume. It is a daily volume. Now, when you hear that volume and you listen that, oh, I don't know anything about forex, but the volume is so big. So even if you quench out a drop out of it, you can make huge money. You can make a fortune for yourself. But since you don't know about forex, IX Global is there for you as an ecosystem to help you set strong foundations in such major markets. When you are learning about forex, let's say 1.5 weeks, you learn the basics about forex. We have our experts who are doing the research and analysis for you. So they send out an alert. You can just use the alert, copy paste, and leverage from experts. Like that, we have 14 teams. In one team, we have 7 to 8 experts who are doing the analysis for you 24 hours into 5 days a week, so that with what they have learned and with some strong foundation, you can decide which opportunity to participate and which not to. So we have different channels, like 14 different channels in different packages. There are some add-on packages as well. We have basic, we have pros, we have SAC. You can decide which channel to participate in. In India, we normally use Team Dubai and also one of the pro channels because it is in Indian time zone. So before we get to the other part of the presentation, let me share you my results of Forex. So this is my account, Viraj Patil. Like, I'm not a trader. This is a real account, of course. So I'm not a trader. I'm an engineer. Finance and trading is like different pillars. But due to a system like IX, I have like strong foundations in this market, and I have been able to make my money work for myself, which was again I was explaining in the cash flow quadrant. This is a $90,000 account. So here I'm in Dubai. I'll show you like Tuesday I traded, since I'm like busy with team building and all. It's not that I win all trades. We win some, we lose some. But if you see, there are two losses and everything else is a win. So one day I made like $6,351. This is pure transparency. You can see last month I made like $11,000. if I put like, it's like a deposit of $32,000 and I made over a profit of $49,775. So what I mean by that, I'll just make this simple for you. So I made a withdrawal here of you can see $7,000. You can see a withdrawal here of $7,000. So in Dubai, let's say I have 1 crore rupees in my bank account and I'm going to travel. I need 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh rupees would get minus from my saving because I'm using my money. So since here I have put my money to work, out of my 1 crore, I make those 5 lakh rupees. My account balance is like 1 crore, 5 lakh rupees, and I'm withdrawing that. So, this kind of potential or this kind of skill, IX Global is empowering you with, wherein you don't need to have an office or staff, but you can make your money work for yourself. And this money is not with IX Global, it is in your own account, in your own demat account, like a forex account. Demat account is for equity. You can put your own money in your accounts, which is the most secure thing, which I feel. So the next product is travel, of course. Travel, like in this pandemic, I agree. Like the travel industry was dead, but now we all are into. At least me, I'm into desperation in traveling. I want to travel because I love traveling. So IX Global doesn't offer you the best travel discounts, but it will offer you travel discounts which are equivalent to other vendors. But the best part about IX, it gives you cashback. Cashback is not in forms of voucher or any coupons. It is purely cash or fiat money. So I'll share you some testimonials, like 5 to 30% is cashback. You can see here in the results, like people are saving like $16 per night, as well as they're getting like $233 cashback on a booking worth of $493, which is a huge uh, I mean, money saved is money earned. So for a traveler like me, this is a good product. Right now, where I'm staying in Dubai, I use travel only through the IS tax code to save my money, of course. So good product again. So here we have made sure that people from every ground, they are empowered with respect to our ecosystem. So we are using artificial intelligence so that even if they don't want to trade, or they feel they have the fear of losing out in trading or fear of participating, they can use our automation and trade. So I will show you my automation account again. This is my automation account. You can see here I have 3 accounts of my family, all combined nearly $100,000. But this is my personal account on my name. So open positions is zero again, $42,000. So last month, if you say, so on an average, you can make like 5% to 15% a month. Is this guarantee? Answer is no. There are different bots, like I mentioned, Fibo5. This is C3PO, which is a gold automation. It gives a bit higher return. When I say higher return, means higher reward. So the risk is also high. So I have C3PO also, but it's like good for people who want to take a bit more risk and they don't mind even if the some of the money is lost. So there are different products for different individuals with the risk appetite. Depends on you what you feel as a fit for you and what you want to participate in. So C3PO is an add-on package, comes for $30. Customer package is yet not launched. So automation, of course, it's a new trend wherein like you're totally hands-free. Your money is in your own account. Not with IX Global again. Only the IX Global bot is on your account and it trades for you. You can withdraw whenever, and hands free, you are making your money work for itself. There are different packages, like the starter package. First one is the basic package, wherein you get access to only basic channels and all of the financial academy. And of course, Indian equity if you want to buy, which is again like a good product in Indian market. So you can go on the pro package. You'll get access to the pro channels as well. And premium package also has a lot of facilities with the automation. You can have 2 automations on the premium package as well. Apart from network marketing, you can use your money to multiply with the kind of education you are using with IX. With the kind of the ecosystem, you can save your money on travel, get cashbacks, and participate in different markets. So network marketing is by choice. So before I talk about network marketing, I would like to show you what impact we are creating through network marketing, so that again, like we realize the potential before we see the compensation plan. So when you see this 3 crores, like how I got to this, because the compensation plan was designed in such a way that majority of the people make money so that I could get there and I could have that kind of retention and team building in my team. So if we like anything, we share. Maybe it be a favorite movie, favorite restaurant, whatever. And we've been doing that since our childhood. So here we have made a very lucrative compensation plan. We never wondered about compensation, what we are getting compensated for sharing this. So that is the most important part. So we are sharing you the revenue in three different manners. One is direct bonus, second is VIP bonus, third is team commission. Direct bonus is whatever people you're bringing directly through your reference. You get $15 per user every month. I repeat, every income here in IX Global is a residual income. Why? Because as I explained the packages are on a monthly basis. You have to renew those packages on 28 days, every 28 days. Now you would say like, oh, why monthly fees? Of course, you paid monthly fees in school, which made you no money for 17 years. Here you can have the opportunity to make money from first week itself. So of course, it is the value of the product, just like we pay a subscription for Netflix, but there only you get entertainment and money is going out of your pocket. Here you get entertainment because money is coming inside your package. Of course, it is boring, but the more amount of people you're getting in, like you're getting 3 directs, you'll get 15 into 3, $45. You're getting 10 directs, you'll get of course $1,500. No limit, no capping. Bring how much ever people, will pay you $15 every single month, provided that guy is also making a repurchase. Of course, it's a legal business. When the turnover comes, we pay you money. Second bonus is like VIP bonus, which is the most lucrative bonus. Here we want to make sure that it is very easy for the distributor to continue in the business, rather for him to quit the business. When you get your three, we consider you as a VIP person. We give you an entitlement called as VIP 100, a VIP 100 bonus. So you get $15 into three, which is $45, as well as a $100 bonus, which is like $145. So just imagine like amount of turnover you're putting to the company. For example, you're putting $125, let's say in rupees, 10,000 rupees, for example, it is 9,300, but 10,000 rupees into 4, 40,000 rupees you are putting in the company as a business. How much you're getting back? In any company, I challenge, in any company or even in any traditional business, you won't get more than 10%. You'll get 4 to 5,000 rupees to the max. Here we are paying 10,500 rupees, which is $145, which itself makes sure that the people who are on the bottommost level feel it is easy for them to continue the business rather than to quit the business. Second slab is VIP 500, which is not big income, but extra $500 cash flow in an emerging market like India is like twice of the average salary. So definitely it is a small victory which can help you get big as a leader in this opportunity, of course. So when you get a team of 12, you get a VIP bonus of $500 apart from the direct commissions and the team commissions, which I'm about to explain. For 40 people in 3 levels, you get $1,000, which is like a salary of an IT engineer, 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs, whatever. VIP 2,000 is like 120 people, $2,000 to 2.5 lakh rupees, considering all the bonuses apart from VIP. VIP 4,000 is like 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees, $4,000 VIP bonus plus direct plus team commissions. VIP 8,000 is 500 people in your team, and you get VIP bonus of 8,000 plus team commissions plus VIP whatever you are direct, whatever you are eligible to. So I will tell you, like in our team, in Team India, we have more than 830 people who are VIP 500. You can see how amount of success the system has able to make. They're making twice the average salary. And VIP 1000, we have more than 280 people in my team. VIP 2000, we are having more than 35 to 38 people in my team, and I hit VIP 8,000 in first 3.5 weeks. So this is not my talent. This is because the compensation plan was lucrative, the ecosystem was addictive, and it was the need of the trend. Right now, if the next economical event comes, at the ease of your home, at the ease of your palm, in fact, with respect to the innovation, you can inspire a lot of people. Forget about inspiring a lot of people. You can at least have an impact in your own life first, and then about the company. So let us talk about the biggest income, team commissions, which is, of course, binary is a long-term income. If you are being into network marketing, like many of them will agree to that. So most of the companies, they pay only in binary plans 10%. We start with 10%, apart from giving you direct income VIP bonus, and then we go to 15 and 20. So for that, there are different ranks and qualification criteria. Just like in corporate, you have assistant manager, manager, DGM, VP, whatever. Just like that, as per your turnover, as per your performance, you can have your own promotion without the politics being involved. First rank is active, second is student, apprentice. When you go to a rank called as influencer, which is in the middle, you get to a 15% buy. So of course, how binary is paid, you get 90 PV PV on every enrollment. On your left when you have 90 PV and on your right when you have 90 PV. On each pair match, you get 10% on 90 PV. That means you'll get how much? $9. 90 PVs, 10% is $9. If you were on the 15% slab, of course, you would have got whatever. So, whatever volume is there on your weaker side, whatever percentage or whatever rank you're on, you will get paid according to that. You start with 10%, you eventually go to 15% influencer on the influencer rank, and on the presidential influencer rank, which is my current rank, which I achieved in November, you get 20% buy. So normally team commission for me is the highest income because like I make around, you can say 52 to 55,000 US dollars a month through only team commission. So that's a long-term income. But to get to that long-term income, the VIP bonuses, they are very good for you as well as your distributors to be there in the business. And of course, you can build a long-term fortune using this pillar. So I will again review the comp plan. Let's see, you're getting your three. You're getting direct income, which is 15 into 3, which is 45 plus VIP 100, which is $145. Goal 2, when you're 3, they get 3. You have a team strength of 12 people in your 2 levels, which gets you to VIP bonus of $450 plus 15 into 3, $45, whatever direct commission plus team commission, like $540 or more income. So that is how simple compensation plan is to explain. You don't have to explain all the car funds, travel funds, house funds, or all those pool bonuses. Very easy to explain, very easy to understand. And if you want to make a certain income with the compensation plan, you can actually tell any distributor how much people he has to put in how much levels, and you can directly mentor him for real time, despite of just making him elude in a vision. So that's all about it. I mean, that's about the presentation. So it was my first presentation in English. I hope I did whatever I could. So thank you.